Okay, I've got new CV joints here and new boots. You know, you can see the little marks with the boots. It's not centered in the plunge, so you can hear it. And then you go the other way, and it's where the boots are, holds it right there at about 1/3 of the way. And I guess it would be better if the boots were clamped so it was right there. So on this axle here, I cut that zip tie and then moved the boot a little bit so that it averages more in the center of the plunge there. The boots kind of hold it in the center of the plunge. On this other axle, I have the boots clamped so that the axle is right up against the wheel stub. And I'll drive around a little bit with video on it and see how that behaves.